No, we don't want to do that. Come here, Sally. Go sit with Daddy.
Actually, I'm homeschooled.
Here. Open it up.
Rip the paper up there, Gracie.
I mean, the bow's awesome, but you gotta rip the paper, too.
The paper. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it.
Callie.
What is that?
Let Sissy do it.
I cannot tell what that is.
Open it up.
Just rip the paper. Gracie, rip the paper. There you go. What is it? It's like...
Hello, Dave.
She's working on it in her own way.
Here. Rip it.
Just
Put
give.
that
It's
down.
okay to be violent.
This is really tough paper.
I know.
Help her! Help her!
What? What?
Oh. Yay.
Oh boy! Now I got something to build.
No.
I like building stuff.